This is the 3D Viewmaster horror adventure, The Addams Family in Portrait of Gomez. On Cemetery Ridge at the edge of town stands a mysterious old mansion surrounded by a thick hedge and a fence with razor-sharp spikes. A sign at the gate warns, "Beware the thing." From the house come occasional weird noises, the boom of a foghorn and the reverberation of a gong that rattles all the windows in the neighborhood. Gomez Addams, head of the spooky family that inhabits the house, is an expert on paracuda breeding and wrecking railroad trains. So who is better qualified to be Strife magazine's Man of the Year? The efforts of Gomez and his wife, Morticia, to find just the right picture of Gomez for Strife's cover involved them, however, in some hair-raising adventures, such as a magnesium powder explosion and a wild driving test by Gomez, who has never learned about cars. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. In a moonlit front yard, the Addams family moonbathed. Picture 2. As Thing fanned Morticia, Lurch answered the doorbell. Picture 3. You say he was from Strife magazine? Gomez asked. Picture 4. Maybe they won my photo as Man of the Year. Picture 5. They chose a picture, but the hungry plant ate it up. Picture 6. The photographer had disappeared. Gomez was so despondent. Picture 7. He stayed up on the chandelier till Fester coaxed him down. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Fester focusing on cussing lit so he was Gomez. Picture 9. Tish! Those French words inflame me, said Gomez. Picture 10. The magnesium flare powder exploded too soon. Picture 11. And a lamp fell from the ceiling onto Fester's head. Picture 12. Remember our old Stanley steamer? Said Uncle Fester. Picture 13. Gomez practiced driving to earn a license with its photograph. Picture 14. Stepping on the brake, he put his foot in Fester's face. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. Lurch opened the car's hood to investigate a strange noise. Picture 16. Cousin It was drying his hair in the engine compartment. Picture 17. I'm ready to take my driving test, shouted Gomez. Picture 18. Gomez failed the test. but Morticia had a great idea. Picture 19. As they awaited the strife man, Gomez practiced with a blowgun. Picture 20. I've painted your man of the year, said Morticia. Picture 21. Strife wanted a picture of their house, not Gomez. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.